that if you want to become successful at work, you have to be passionate. Sometimes, nakikita natin parang lahat na ng buhay natin, binigay natin. Lahat na lang ng ating oras, inibig natin. Pero hindi tayo napapansin. Despite pa, bakit ginagawa mo ng trabaho ko? Bakit sila nagkagami? You know, kung nandito ka ngayon at ilang beses mo nang naranasan yun at nagpapatuloy na sinagawa mo, it means you are passionate. And you look at the person next to you, you are passionate. You think na, oh, gusto ko na sumuko kasi ang gulo-gulo na ng paligid ko. Parang feeling ko, wala nang pag-asa dito sa Pilipinas. Parang pakiramdam ko lahat na lang ng taong ganito. Ayoko na. But you know, if God has called you to your place right now, God will sustain you. And that is the reason why we are here, is because I want to tell you something that's different from being, you know, how to manage stress. But my topic for today is simple as this. It is not what's happening outside, it's what's driving you inside. The internal more than the external. You have to be focused more on the internal thing. Diba? Sometimes ito yung mga internal battle natin. Every day! Yes. You know what's that? It's diba? Sino dito yung mga taga-Maynila po? Just to know, okay? So para alam mo kung may mga nakaka-relate po sa akin. At sino po dito ang mga nagda-drive, naranasan ng mag-drive, kahit hindi po ay taga-Manila, naranasan ng mag-drive sa EDSA ng rush hour? Anong feels? Diba? Sabi po nila, yung asawa ko po, sabi po ng aking kaibigan, sabi sa akin, ano bro, para medyo tumagal-tagal ng date nyo, daan kayo ng EDSA. And you know, sometimes hindi naman na, oh man, nakakaalam. This is only an external thing, but the question is, ano yung pwede natin maging response? That's why maraming mga proposal ngayon na lumalabas. Okay, proposal na bill sa Kongreso at Senado na, ano po, nagyan po ng zip line. Mula po doon sa south at north. Diba? What else? Ito, external battle, sino po yung narasan na mag-MRT? Hindi ba, papasok po kayong empleyado, lalabas kayong magdirigma. Eh, meron pong special skill doon, yung ibang sabi po nila, kapag nandun ka daw sa platform, okay, ibigit ka na lang daw. Tapos mamaya, pag bigat mo, nandun ka sa loob. That's why, sobrang dami na nagaganap ngayon, naghihiwalay ngayon ang MRT. Yung sabi nila, yung natulala ka na lang daw, iniwan ka niya. And dahil dyan, sa sobrang dami, nagkakaroon ng hiwalay. Kaya nga, ang internal response nila, okay? This is an external battle, but ang internal response nila is this. Gumawa ng ganyan, pusok-pusok sa mga babae. Ano, hipo pa more. The solution, what else? This one, pila. Sino po mga nakakaranas ng pila? Kasamay. Yun. Diba? Sa government agency, alam na sa business po namin, in the past few years, ako po yung mismo na naglalakad ng aking papel. Siyempre, dahil ako po isang young entrepreneur at ako po ay nagsisimulang businessman, nung ako nagsisimula, talagang ako naglalakad sa City Hall. Nakita ko, haba ng pila. Eh kahit saan ako magpunta ng agents, ang haba ng pila. Minsan nainis na ako, bakit ganun? And then, one time, meron po akong isang kaibigan na sabi sa akin, ito daw ako ng solution. Instead na tao daw pila, chinelas na lang daw po. Pwede niyo po yung gawin sa inyong agency. Okay? Why? Because it is more of internal more than external. Okay? So, right now, this is my topic for today. I will not discuss about stress management. I want to talk about stress-proof leadership. To some of you who do not know yet, I am a leadership speaker. I travel all over the Philippines. I talk about leadership. And one thing that I really love to discuss, this is more about being stress-proof. Lahat tayo na-stress. At ang stress, hindi po yan nawawala. Marami yan nandiyan. But how are we going to be stress-proof? How are we going to be storm-proof at work? This is my objective for today. Number one is that we will be able to leave the secrets of top leaders that I learned throughout my journey on how to become stress-proof and practice effective habits of a CEO. And lastly is to decide to lead yourselves, others, and their boss. Are you excited? Sometimes you think na, oh, pwede palang i-lead ang boss? I tell you this, yes. You can lead your boss. Because leadership, sabi ni John Maxwell, Dr. John Maxwell, leadership is influence. Nothing more, nothing less. But guess what? If you are a great leader, you can influence your boss. Are you excited? Do I need to become a leader? Because this is the truth of the matter. You are a leader, whether you like it or you like it more. Dalawa lang ang category ng tao. It's either you're a bad leader or you're a good leader. Again, you are a bad leader or you're a good leader. So paano maging bad leader? How to become a bad leader? Sobrang simple lang. Do nothing. If you do nothing, you'll become a bad leader. But if you want to become a good leader, be intentional. Kasi gusto maging successful sa buhay. Wow! Lahat ko tayo. Most of us, yung mga hindi mo nagtaas ng kamay, gusto nyo ba maging alipin sa gigilid? Okay, so lahat, I believe na lahat po tayo. Lahat po tayo. But another question I ask these young people, sino dito gusto maging leader? Next time. One day. You know, this is, sometimes namimis told na kaya, oh, gusto ko maging successful, pero ayaw ko maging leader. And tell you this, if you want to become successful, you have to become a leader. Because sabi nga, leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. If you want to be a successful teacher, kailangan meron kang influence over your students. Diba? Sometimes you think about parang mga teacher natin, listen, class, listen. Yung mga estudyante, woo! Uwi na ma'am! Tingin, diba may influence siya? If you want to be a successful businessman, kailangan meron kang influence sa market. Kailangan nakakabenta ka. Grabe, meron akong alam, yung buwan na benta. Hindi influence tawag ng budol.